In this video, you'll learn how to transfer funds from KuCoin to Binance. This process is crucial for managing your cryptocurrency assets effectively and ensuring that you can utilize the features of different exchanges. First, open your web browser and navigate to the KuCoin website. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface with various options for trading and managing your account. Next, look for the Assets tab, which is typically located in the main navigation bar at the top of the page. Click on Assets to access your account balances and transaction options. This action will take you to a summary of all your holdings. After that, locate and click on the Funding option within the Assets section. This will direct you to a page where you can manage your funds, including deposits and withdrawals. Ensure that you are on the correct screen before moving forward. Once you are on the funding page, click on the Withdraw button. This option allows you to send funds from your KuCoin account to another wallet. A new withdrawal form should appear, prompting you to enter the details for the transfer. Now click on Select Coin to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. A drop-down menu will appear listing all available coins. Make sure to select the appropriate cryptocurrency such as USDT, which is commonly used for transfers between exchanges. After selecting the coin, click on USDT from the list. This action confirms your choice and prepares the withdrawal form for USDT. Verify that you have sufficient funds in your account to complete the transfer. Next, you need to enter the wallet address where you want to send the USDT. Click on Wallet Address and type in the Binance wallet address accurately. It is crucial to double-check this address to avoid any loss of funds, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Following that, click on Select Network to choose the network for the transfer. A list of available networks will appear. It is advisable to select TRC2A for USDT transfers, as this is often the fastest and most cost-effective option. Now, click on TRCO2CO to confirm your network selection. This step is essential for ensuring that your funds are sent via the correct protocol. Once selected, you should see the network details reflected in the withdrawal form. After confirming the network, click on Submit to initiate the transfer. A confirmation message may appear summarizing the details of your withdrawal. Review this information carefully to ensure everything is correct before finalizing the transaction. If you would like to transfer funds from KuCoin to Binance yourself, I've placed the link in the description and pinned comment below. This can help guide you through the process with additional resources. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.